Have you ever wondered why so many successful people are quiet? It turns out being an introvert isn't a weakness, it's a hidden advantage. Introverts spend more time thinking before they act. Instead of making quick decisions, they carefully analyze situations. This helps them avoid unnecessary mistakes. They are excellent listeners, while others are busy talking. Introverts observe, learn, and understand people better. Great leaders don't just speak well, they listen well. Introverts also enjoy working alone. They can stay focused for long periods without needing constant attention or approval. This deep focus allows them to master valuable skills over time. Another reason is emotional control. Introverts usually think before reacting, which helps them stay calm under pressure and make better decisions. Perhaps their greatest strength is continuous self-improvement. They often spend time reading, learning, and reflecting instead of chasing distractions. Small improvements every day lead to extraordinary success over the years. Being quiet doesn't mean you lack confidence.